So, but let me tell you a little bit about the blouse that I am wearing. It features a wonderful kaleidoscope of color, and we have these um, dots that kind of look to me like cheetah print, but then again, maybe it's like that Rorschach test that the psychologists give you, and it kind of looks like whatever you think it does. So, anyways, to me, it looks like cheetah print, and we have some royal blue and peach and yellow and some light blue and this lovely green, and we even have some pink down here. So, yeah, it's just a great mix of colors. This is a size medium, and the brand is Dear Scarlett, and it features a V neckline and a flat collar. We have 3/4 length sleeves with the button ups on the side, so you got this wonderful little draping that comes down. And the fabric is super soft and stretchy, and it is virtually wrinkle free. Yes, I said virtually wrinkle free. I literally took them out of the bags, shook them out, and put them on hangers. And this is where we are. So I'll let you look at the yoke across the back. Just adds a nice detail there. So would love to know what you think about this piece. And I have paired it with a medium wash denim. And if you noticed when Michelle was on, she has paired hers with some light pink shorts. So very versatile. Definitely take you through spring and summer. And really, if you're in Northwest Florida, I think it's a 4-season top, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And we like those because they add some versatility to your wardrobe throughout the year.